Okay, so in this video, I just want to show you how to create a simple bar chart in Streamlit using a library that is plotly.express. Okay, so the first thing you need to do is that you need to import this library, import Streamlit SST, import pandas, and import plotly.express. Okay. So next thing is I want to set the page. So set page config page title to bar, and I set this layout to be centered. Okay, let's add a title. Let's say bar chart using plotly. Okay, so in this video, I want to use plotly.express. So actually, you can use plotly.express or plotly.graph object. But in this video, I just want to use plotly.express because it is more easy to use. Okay, so I'm just gonna use plotly.express. Okay, uh, first of all, I want to create the data. So let's say I have years that is in list. Let's say I have from 2020, 2021, 2022, and 2023. And then let's say I have units sold from 1000, 2000, 3000, and 4000. Okay. And I want to create this as a data frame. Create as data frame, so df pandas data frame, and let's say this column to be just year, that is years data, and then I have column unit, that is units sold data. Okay. Okay, I already create the data frame. Well, it's actually it's up to you if you want to create a data frame or not. I just use to create a data frame because we use a CSV file. Usually we use a CSV file that is in pandas data frame. Okay. Next, let's create a bar chart that is big px dot bar. So px plotly express dot bar. Then the data df df, and then for x-axis, that is from column year, and then from y-axis, that is unit. Okay, let's see. Let's display this using Streamlit dot plotly chart, and then pick. Okay. Okay, we need to modify this code so the bar chart can look better. Okay, what I can do is that first I can label this. Let's say I want to have labels for year, that is x-axis year, and let's say I want to change it to 4 years. Then I want to change the y-axis, that is unit, into a unit salt. Units salt. Okay, what else we can do? Uh, let's say I want to give this bar chart a title. So title, uh, what is it? Units salt from 2020 to 2023. Okay, and then what I want to do? Okay, okay. Maybe we stick with this. Uh, Next thing is that I want to fix the x-axis, right? I want to fix the x-axis. So fix x-axis. Okay, this is per chart. Okay, I want to fix the x-axis because it is not right. This is actually you don't need to put a floating point. This is just I want to make it as integer. Okay, what you can do is that you can use fig.update x-axis and change the type into uh, category. Okay, it's fixed now. So it's 4 years from 2020 to 2023. And then I want to have text, right? I want to have text. Want to have a text, so I'm just gonna use text auto to set it to true. Okay, there we go. We have the text, but it's still pretty small and it's inside. We can also change it to outside. Okay, let's change the text a little bit. System. Okay, let's edit the text using fig.update traces, right? Then we can change the text font size to, let's say I want to change it to 20. Okay, you can change it however you like. You can change it to 15, but I'm just gonna stay at 20. Okay, right. And then you can also change the text position. Text position. Okay, you can change it to outside, or yeah, maybe stay in the inside also. Inside or outside. Okay, let's say I want this to be outside, but as you can see, I think we need to change the y-axis range, not from 0 to 4000, maybe more than that, beyond that. Okay, let's see. How do we change this? Okay, let's see. Let's change y-axis, fix y-axis, right? Okay, so fig dot update y-axis. Let's say we want to change the range from, okay, this is the list, from 0 to 5000. Okay, there we go. It's fixed now. Okay, and then what we can do? What else? What else we can do? Maybe you want to add color. So color equals, let's say I want it's based on unit. Okay, so this is actually a continuous color. So as you can see, it goes from blue to white based on how many unit sold, how many values, how many units, right? Well, I can change it into discrete color. I'll show you in a minute. Okay, what else we can do? Let's say I want to change the size of y-axis and x-axis, the labels and the values. Okay, let's see if I want to change the size. So click font, and then say this is a dictionary, size of 14. Okay, this is x-axis. You can also change it however you like, maybe to 20. Okay, I think 15 is better. Okay, right. You can also change it the y-axis. So click font equals size equals 40. Okay, right. So it's much bigger now. Okay, so what else we can do? What we can do is that I want to change the font size of title and y and x axis, not the values. This is just the values, but the text. So I want to update title and labels font size, right? I want to change it. How do you change it? You can use fig dot update underscore layout. Okay, let's see. If I want to change the title, I can use title font size equal to, let's say I want to change it to 30. Then I want to change the x-axis title font size to, let's say I want to change it to 20. And then I want to change the x-axis title font size to, let's say, also 20. Okay, right. Okay, much better. Let's see. Okay, I think I need to add this. So if I were to expand this, okay, okay, yes. Okay, what else we can do? Let's say maybe you want to have customize the color for each of the bar. Well, you can also do that. Let's see. Let's say I create uh, a new column. Let's say I have yeah, let's say I have colors. That is let's see. I want to have one for blue, and then second is also blue, and the third is also blue. But the fourth one, I wanted to have a color of red. Okay, so let's add it to data frame. That is color. Okay, okay. Let's add it to bar chart. How do you add it? So, okay. Change this. Let's see. Let's change it to discrete. So color discrete. Uh, okay. Maybe no. You can you change this color to say color. Okay, based on the data frame, and then you change it using color discrete map, and then use identity, and that's it. you can change the color individually based on the color you choose on the data frame. But if you want to have the same color, you don't actually need to do this. You can also just use let's see. You can also just use say it like this. Color discrete sequence. Color discrete sequence, and then you say to, let's say I want to have it to green, and that's it. All of the color turns to green. So I think that's it. Yeah, I think that's it. That's it. It's just a simple bar chart and Streamlit using plotly.express. Okay. Thank you for watching and have a good one.